Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a little Cream of Nature review. So as you guys know, every wash day routine I start with hot oiling my dry strands. So I'll go in, take my hair out and put in some hot oil treatment. Of course, we're going to grab these two and we're going to start with the shampoo. Now I always try to spray my hair outside the shower to show you guys I don't have a lot of water dripping, so this is just warm water. I'm spraying my hair so I can shampoo it. Now this is the shampoo guys. It has a jello like consistency. It feels quite thick for a shampoo, but when I put it on my scalp it goes right in. It shampoos it. I have no problem with it feeling sticky or it not going in and actually shampooing my hair. And this shampoo, it is sulfate free. They say it's a hydrating, detangling shampoo, and guys, it is. When I go in, I shampoo my scalp with this. I make sure I massage this in with my fingers if I'm not using my scalp invigorator sometime. And if you guys can see, it lathers up quite a bit even outside the shower. When you're in the shower, it lathers up even though it is a sulfate free. And after you take this out, your hair feels clean. And again, if you guys can see, most of my strands came out because this shampoo, it is so hydrating that it leaves your hair incredibly soft. So pretty much all my twists were out, and if you guys see, I can even run my fingers through my hair right now. It doesn't have tangles like it would from my other shampoos. And you guys see my hair here, it is super soft, super fluffy. I love how it shampoos my hair. Now we're going to grab the conditioner. Now the conditioner, it is an intense conditioning treatment, so it's not just a regular conditioner like the ones you would buy. And I go in, I put this in section in my hair. Now all I do guys, I just divide my hair in 3 big sections so I can work from then. And when you grab the conditioner, you see guys, again, it is a thick conditioner because it doesn't fall that fast, but when you put it in your hair once more, it soaks right in. You put it on your strands. You guys know I like to put a lot. I am not shy with the shampoo or conditioner, and I make sure I go from root to tip and I add it in there. And you guys see I have just a little bit of tangle. I can just go in and detangle my hair. I have no problem with my hair getting ripped out. It feels amazingly soft, and if you guys can see, it is again super easy to just comb through it. And all I'm gonna do is twist my hair so I can go sit under the steamer for 15 minutes and let this conditioner soak in. Now for this conditioner, they say it does strengthen, moisture your hair, and prevent breakage. And if you guys can see, after I come from under the steamer, my hair looks great. It feels soft again, so of course it's easy to tangle, so again, that's why we're not gonna get breakage. Now this is after my tea rinse. You guys know I do an apple cider vinegar and tea rinse, and my hair looks great. It feels amazing. The tangles are so minimal. I had very little hair breakage, so I love this duo. Definitely worth a buy because of the end result of just shampooing and conditioning my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, go over and watch my last video.